So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Wangaria the morning and I'm super excited to be back. So if you're new here, karibu sana and consider subscribing to this channel. If you're old, just know it's golden tutorial for listening in. So yeah, it's in the evening, the sun is down already. So I'm just doing this video like to thank you guys. Like I'm just here to just be thankful for the 1,000 subscribers. If you're in it guys, you've been watching me, we've come a long way to attain 1,000 subscribers, and yeah, I'm just happy. I'm happy. I know it. I know it's. I'm kind of gloomy, but guys, just know from the bottom of my heart, I thank you, and may God bless you for that. So the only thing remaining is attaining 4,000 watch hours, which I know we're gonna make it. Yeah, I know. I'm looking for the best lighting, but yeah. So I just want you to spend the evening with me. So I'm just going to clean the utensils. Yeah, I've already arranged the clothes. Yeah, I had washed some clothes. So yeah, the only thing is just cooking and washing, and yeah, let's spend the evening together. And thank you so much. And before I go on guys, before tuingie kwa video, like I'm so much grateful. Like it's been like a long time. I've been in and out of YouTube for the past around 5 to 6 years, because my first video I took it back back in 2020, around 2020 na huko nyuma kabisa, and right now we're in 2025 and I don't know what to say. Like it's a dream come true guys. I know we are yet to be there because I have to attain 4,000 watch hours. Yeah, so like guys, I don't know what to say. Like I'm happy, and I know see that we are just one step away from monetization, which is just getting 4,000 watch hours. It's not an easy, because I have to keep on posting. I have to like give you guys good content and all of that. Like I'm just, so yeah, I'm just happy. At least we've crossed one bridge, no one more to go, and I'll be like, thank you God. Even right now I'm still thanking God, because if it weren't for him, you guys wouldn't have subscribed. So thank you all, and may God bless you from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, I believe that it's not in vain. Some people are like, if you stayed that long, you have to give up, find something else to do. But I believe in what I'm doing. I believe in the cause, and I believe that whatever you put out here is not all in vain. So yeah. And guys, thank you, thank you, thank you. So let's just go and do the cleaning as we cook. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this vlog, and thank you. So there are some clothes that were left yesterday, the towels in the pillowcases, so that's what I'm washing right now. So I'll just leave them as I go fold some other clothes. Uh-oh. So yeah, I leave them to wash as I go fold the rest of the clothes. Yeah, it won't take a lot of time because there are just a few of them. So I'm putting on some washing detergent. Yeah. The water is taking too long. Yeah, since there are a few clothes, so I guess that water is enough, and I'm going to keep normal because the clothes aren't a lot. So for the washing, I'll go for 15 minutes. Yeah, I've already placed. So it's at wash. So yeah, I'll be adding some salts. So this is salt, this is pilau masala for the taste and the aroma. This is tangawizi or ginger powder, a little bit of it, and then this is turmeric. This is just some small spices for the githeri. So yeah, let's add salt in. So that's pilau masala. This is ginger, and of course a little bit of turmeric for the color. So let's add it, and then so the salt actually fastens the accelerates. Why am I forgetting this? It ensures this inaiva haraka, like it gets ready faster, and then we can add our githeri later. So as you can see, my tomatoes are ready and I've made a nice paste. So I'm going to go in with my cabbages. So yeah, here they are. There are a mixture of cabbages and carrots in there. So let's do this. Uh-oh. Almost made a mess. So since the githeri for the sakotash is ready, I'm going to just wait for the cabbages to get ready a little bit. Yeah. And then add in my githeri. So let me just stir a little bit and then cover it. So this is how it is after stirring. So let's cover it for like about 2 minutes and then add the githeri. So yeah, let's go in with our githeri and then yep. So yeah, here's the mixture of it. I'm just going to add a little bit of water and then cover it until it is ready. Some of you may wonder why I'm adding water. I just love soup. I don't like dry food. So yep, that's me. You know, some of you are wondering where are you from. Anyway, I'm from the Mulma side of Kenya, you know. So let's wait for it to get ready. Oh, my soup dried up. My soup dried up. I have to add a little bit. Matukule tu hivyo. So yeah, our food is ready, so I'm gonna serve and eat. So here is our food. So I'm going to add some avocado. So let's cut it. Moment of truth. So this is my meal of the night. Yeah, I love it. So guys, if you loved this short video, kindly give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't. And guys, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. There's a lot of noise because kids are playing out, so please bear with me. So till next time, bye bye.